Hey, what's up guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here Plum model kit from the video game Murakumo, and this is your A.R.K Cloud Breaker, A.R.K. 1 Cloud Breaker. So we got here this very magnificent red flying model kit here. So this is intended for flying, and this is I haven't played that game, by the way, so I don't know what kind of game is that, but based on my research, this is like somehow a bit armored core-ish, something like that, armored core style of video game. But of course, it's Murakumo, and this is one of the I think the main player from that game. Correct me if I'm wrong. So if I'm wrong, please comment it in the comment section for correction, so I can stand corrected, by the way. Anyway, this kit here looks like a grunt model kit or grunt suit from Gundam, which it deeply resembles a flag from Gundam 00, and at the same time the Ares mobile suit from Gundam Wing series. That's how I can perceive this model kit. So this kit comes with an action-based stand, because this kit cannot stand on its own. Yep, this kit cannot stand on its own because of the feet structure. The feet is very small, as you can see there. There is the feet. Cannot stand, and even if I put it on the ground, it will not really stand because of this wing binders on the back. It's very heavy. So this comes in red, gray, and some white color, and a clear piece plastic there for the eyes, which looks like a mono eye from there. It looks like Zeonic mono eye, like that. And it has articulation on the upper body, especially for the legs, the arms, I mean, rather. So there we got articulation here. Wait, so there are falling pieces here. I didn't put glue yet. Okay, so there you can rotate this hand or arm 360 degrees thanks to the ball joint, and can move somehow like that. So 360 degrees, and can raise up to this far. Also the other arm can raise up to this far. So the elbow can move or bend up to this far. The hands are on a fixed pose, and it looks really funny there. The hands is looks like a nail. And it has this, I don't know what is this piece here, maybe an energy pack or yep, something like that. And the primary weapon of this kit is this very nicely looking Gatling gun, and it is full of dust now because I haven't played with this kit and cleaned this kit. Yep, it has a Gatling gun here, very cool looking Gatling gun here. And I really like this bullet belt here, which is very nice. It's a bit flexible, so there we can connect it to the ammo drum and connect here on this slot here. Okay, so the head can somehow move up and down like that, and it can rotate side to side, so like this. Sorry for that, the camera angle. Okay. And the torso can somehow, actually this is a heavy kit by the way. Yep. Here, so the torso can rotate side to side, and as you can see there's this lever here that also twists. It has a mechanism twisting. Okay, and the legs here can kick backward, can kick forward up to this far, and the knees can bend also up to this much, like this. So it doesn't bend so much. Okay, let's see again if it can stand on its own. Of course, no. There, it cannot stand on its own because of the binder, this backpack booster here. So there, I accidentally removed that part. So there, actually this one cannot bend. I wish this can bend downward so it can provide some assistance in standing, but no, it cannot. So this is intended for flying only, so it doesn't have any means to stand except for the clear action based stand. Okay. So the booster details is wait, just put it back. Okay, the booster details is very nice. I really like the mechanism and the sculpt of this thing here. So if you're going to paint this, much better to make it look more deadly and amazing. So you can paint it with metallic color paints if you want to make this very nice and will glow. And the wing binders here, of course, there, it cannot move. It's a bit fixed on the connector there. So the only thing you can do with this kit is display it, of course, with your action based stand, which is this one. Okay, there's a slot in the butt and on this booster binders or booster connector. So there we got this platform here where you can slot it there inside and on the crotch or the butt. Okay. So there you go. This is the only means to make it stand and can display on the shelf. Here, this is your Plum Murakumo. There we go. So very nice, nicely looking red kit. And how does it look with the other kit? So I got this master grade Gundam here for size comparison. So there, because of this stand, they're almost the same height, head height, for 18 centimeters. But this is, I think, 148 scale or 172 scale. I mean, 172 scale model kit. So this is very small if we're going to make it 1/100 scale. But on this manner, it looks like about the size or head height of the Gundam Master Grade 1/100. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this quick review of this Plum Murakumo A.R.K Cloudbreaker 1, this red kit here. So thank you so much. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying, night, God bless, take care. See you next time.